Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to bend a line in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer. Select the pen tool. Do not use fill color. Then click, hold alter, click, hold alter, click, hold alter. Right click on your mouse, add anchor point, click and drag it. Delete anchor point for this delete. Okay. And step 2, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer, go to edit tab, puppet warp, click to the point, okay, then click the point, then move it or anywhere. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment,